Right, who's ready to go for a drive? Got a camera hooked up. Let's go. This is the RC truck. Now, the battery's going to be underneath here. We got some stones. Let's go haul them. Let's see if we can crash. So the directions weren't very helpful, so I'm helping you. The battery is in here, and this is where you put the battery, okay? Great. So this is what it looks like. We might mount a camera on the inside here because it's actually pretty awesome. The bed is awesome for hauling stuff, so I'm very excited to test this out for you guys. You will need 2 AA batteries for the controller itself. Standard RC, pull down to go forward, push up for braking and reverse, left and right. You can adjust the left and right trim. You also have T-rate and also on and off. Just your standard controller. It's got a very good turn radius. Handles the stones pretty good. Let's go see. Oh, unless you hit it like a really big one. So that was a huge stone right here. This guy. Make sure our camera's all right inside. We got some stones. Let's go haul them. Let's see if we can crash. Battery might be getting a little low. I want to point out it's got nice headlights on it, so that's pretty cool. You guys can put custom decals on here as well. There's a lot more accessories you guys can add. We just added the basics, but it's a lot of fun. I think kids and teens will love it, even adults.